Hello, my name is Kyle Livingston from Gettel Hyundai. We're in downtown Punta Gorda today. I want to show you some new features a lot of people have been asking about on the new Sonata Hybrid. This is our limited edition. It has some special features that only come on the Hybrid Limited, and I wanted to show them to you today. We have a function here where you can drive the car with just the key. You don't need to be in it at all. We go ahead and lock the car. We remote start the vehicle so that way she's ready to be driven. It's a hybrid, so when the engine turns on, you really won't hear it start. But give us a couple seconds here. Once the engine's on, all we gotta do is press play here and the car comes alive. Look at her driving right here for you. If you're in a parking garage, you're in a tight parking spot, you have a small driveway or a small garage, this feature allows you to be walking with your car in forwards or reverse. Just in case if anything comes up, anything comes in front of the vehicle here, we have our safety features, cameras all around the car, already stopping it, so that to ensure you, even though you're pressing forwards, no one can get hurt. And now we're leaving, now we're gonna go home, we're getting out of that garage, we're pressing the reverse button and the car follows me right backwards here. Come with me everybody, showing these awesome features that only come in the limited version of our cars. You won't see this anywhere else on the market. And she comes up, she knows she's coming to a curb and she's gonna stop herself right away there for us. Thank you so much. Have a great day, talk to you soon.